Hello everyone, and welcome to lesson number 1 of AI prompt engineering. In this lesson, we're going to cover what prompt engineering really is, why it matters, and how AI actually processes your instructions. By the end, you'll understand the core types of prompts, and you'll be ready to start crafting instructions that get AI to work exactly the way you want. Alright, let's dive in. Definition and importance. So, what exactly is prompt engineering? In simple words, it's the skill of telling AI exactly what you want, in the right way, so you get the best possible results. Technically speaking, it's about designing and structuring effective prompts, the instructions you give to an AI model, like ChatGPT, so the answers you get are useful, accurate, and relevant. Your prompt could be super short, just a single sentence, or more complex, a detailed multi-paragraph instruction with context, format, tone, and even specific rules. Bottom line, the better your prompt, the better your output. And that's why prompt engineering is such a game-changing skill. Why prompt engineering matters. So, why does it matter so much? First, precision. If your prompt is vague, the AI will give you generic, or even wrong answers. But if you're specific and clear, the results are way better. Second, it saves time. Good prompts mean less back and forth, less editing, and fewer retries. Third, you control the output. You can tell AI the exact tone, format, and style you want. Formal, casual, bullet points, paragraphs, marketing, academic, you name it. And finally, it unlocks versatility. With the right prompts, AI can write, code, translate, brainstorm, teach, create art, and even make videos. Simply put, prompt engineering turns AI into a precision tool in your hands. How AI interprets prompts. Alright, so how does AI actually understand your instructions? First, tokenization. The AI breaks your input into tiny pieces called tokens, which could be whole words, or even parts of words. Next, context recognition. It looks at these tokens in sequence, to figure out what you mean. Then, pattern matching. It compares your prompt to billions of examples it's seen before, looking for similarities. Finally, prediction generation. The AI predicts the most likely next word, one word at a time, until it forms a complete response. And here's the thing to remember, AI doesn't think like humans. It's not reasoning the way we do, it's predicting, based on patterns and context. Types of prompts. Now, let's talk about the 3 main types of prompting. Zero-shot prompting. You give the AI only the instruction, with no examples. Example. Write a professional summary of a marketing manager's LinkedIn profile in 3 to 4 sentences. It's quick and works well for simple tasks, but not great if you need a specific style or tone. One-shot prompting. You give the AI one example along with your instructions. This helps it better match your tone or structure. For example, show it a LinkedIn post about a funding announcement, then ask for a similar one about a partnership. It's more accurate than zero-shot, but still depends heavily on that one example. Few-shot prompting. You give the AI multiple examples, usually 2 to 5. This helps it spot patterns and produce more accurate, creative results. It's perfect for tasks like writing headlines, categorizing data, or mimicking a certain style. The trade-off? The prompts can get a bit longer. So, in short, zero-shot, fast but basic. One-shot, guided by a single example. Few-shot, multiple examples for maximum clarity and accuracy. Key components of a strong prompt. Writing a strong prompt is like giving clear instructions to a smart assistant. The more specific you are, the better the results. There are 4 key components. First, context. Sets the background or role the AI should take. Example. You are a marketing specialist writing product descriptions for an online electronics store. Second, instruction. Clearly state what you want the AI to do. Example. Write a short, engaging headline for a new product. Third, format. Tell the AI how you want the answer structured, bullets, paragraphs, tables. Example. Provide 3 bullet points highlighting key benefits. Fourth, constraints. Set limits or rules, word count, tone, style. Example. Keep the tone casual and limit each bullet to under 15 words. Put it all together, and you get clear, purpose-driven prompts that deliver spot-on results. Common mistakes in prompt writing. Even powerful AI needs clear instructions. Here are 5 mistakes to avoid. Being too vague. Instead of, write a post, say, write a LinkedIn post announcing a startup partnership in a professional tone. Combining too many tasks. Break them into steps instead of cramming them all into one prompt. Missing context or role. Tell AI who it is, who it's talking to, and what the situation is. Not specifying format or tone, always say how you want it delivered. Overloading with irrelevant details, keep it clear, concise, and focused. Think of prompt writing like giving instructions to a smart intern, not a mind reader. Iteration and refinement. Even great prompts usually need tweaking. That's where iteration comes in. Here's how it works. Step 1. Start simple. Prompt. Write a product description for a smartwatch. Output. This smartwatch is great. It tracks your steps and looks nice. Pretty bland. Step 2. Add more context and constraints. Prompt. Write a 2-sentence product description for a smartwatch that tracks health and fitness. Use a friendly and modern tone. Output. Track your heart rate, sleep, and steps, all from your wrist. This stylish smartwatch blends smart features with all-day comfort. Step 3. Refine for audience or format. Prompt. Now rewrite it for Instagram, under 20 words, with an emoji. Output. Stay healthy in style, watch track sleep, steps and heart rate on the go. Iteration sharpens clarity, improves tone, and fine-tunes format. The first version is just a start, the magic happens in the refinement. Real-world applications and use cases of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering isn't just a technical concept, it's a highly valuable skill across multiple industries. When used effectively, it can dramatically boost productivity, creativity, and quality in both personal and professional tasks. Let's explore some real-world applications, grouped by field. First, content creation and marketing. Prompt engineering helps generate targeted, on-brand content faster. This includes writing blog posts, headlines, and product descriptions, creating social media captions, hashtags, and ad copy, generating SEO-friendly content or email campaigns, and even A/B testing different messaging styles using prompt variations. For example, write a LinkedIn post in a professional tone announcing a new partnership between 2 tech companies. Second, education and e-learning. Educators, trainers, and course creators use prompt engineering to streamline instructional design. They can create lesson plans, quizzes, and worksheets, summarize complex topics in simple language, adapt material for different learning levels, or even generate feedback and grading rubrics. For example, summarize the Industrial Revolution in simple terms for 8th grade students in 3 bullet points. Third, software development. Developers use prompts to generate or debug code, explain code line by line, create unit tests and technical documentation, or translate logic into code. For example, generate a Python function that filters out duplicate items from a list and returns unique values. Fourth, business and productivity. Executives, teams, and entrepreneurs use prompt engineering to enhance decision-making and automation. They draft business proposals, reports, or presentations, summarize meetings or emails, generate SWOT analyses or business models, or create customer support replies and templates. For example, you are a customer support agent. Write a polite reply to a customer complaining about a delayed delivery. Fifth, creative work. Prompting boosts creativity by sparking ideas or automating tedious tasks. Think brainstorming book titles, slogans, or story plots, writing poetry or lyrics in a specific style, generating visual art ideas or design themes, or even scriptwriting and video storyboarding. For example, generate 3 unique video ideas for a YouTube channel about AI tools for small businesses. Sixth, multimodal creation. This is where text meets image, video, and code. By combining AI tools like GPT with image or video generators, you can create full multi-format content. That means designing thumbnails, covers, and logos, generating video scripts and matching visuals, creating branded assets in consistent styles, or combining text and visuals for carousel posts or infographics. For example, create a thumbnail concept for a video titled, Top 5 AI Tools for Designers in 2025. Wrap-up tip. Wherever clarity, creativity, or automation is needed, prompt engineering becomes your secret weapon. Introduction to prompt templates and prompt chaining. Prompt engineering becomes far more powerful and scalable when you start using prompt templates and prompt chaining. These techniques help you create consistent, reusable, and complex interactions with AI, perfect for content creators, educators, marketers, and developers. First, what is a prompt template? A prompt template is a reusable prompt structure where only certain parts change. This makes it great for automation, consistency, and producing multiple outputs in the same format. Example structure. You are a role. Write a type for audience about topic in a tone. Example with inputs. Role, email copywriter. Type, promotional email. Audience, new customers. Topic, AI-based writing tool. Tone, friendly. Final prompt. You are an email copywriter. Write a promotional email for new customers about an AI-based writing tool in a friendly tone. Use cases include email sequences, product descriptions, blog outlines, and course lesson summaries. Second, what is prompt chaining? Prompt chaining means taking the output of one prompt and using it as the input for the next. This is especially useful for complex tasks with multiple stages. Example, writing a blog post. Prompt 1. Generate a blog outline. Create an outline for a blog post about the benefits of AI in education. Prompt 2. Expand the introduction. Write an engaging introduction for the blog post based on this outline. Insert outline. Prompt 3. Write full sections. Expand point 1 from the outline into a full paragraph in a friendly, informative tone. Benefits of prompt chaining. It breaks down complex tasks, improves quality step by step, gives better control over tone and structure, and allows editing and refinement at each stage. When you combine prompt templates with prompt chaining, you unlock an advanced workflow. You can scale content creation while also structuring logic-heavy tasks like curriculum design, chatbot development, long-form storytelling, product launches, and even data analysis summaries. That's the end of lesson number 1. You now know what prompt engineering is and why it's a game changer. Up next, we'll explore